Okay, hello everybody. So there's a question about how to put our work in GitHub. Maybe I need to give an example. For example, I need to reproduce this one. Wait a minute. So we just go to the GitHub link. Then for Git, okay, create fork. Then open Gitbot. You need to register or sign up first if you don't have the account. Then click new workspace. Then just type viral recon. This is the repository that we already forked. So basically in our GitHub repositories already forked. We already forked the viral record, so it is appear in our repositories. That's why we can open our repository in Gitbot. So just click continue. All right, so we can run this workflow. Just follow the documentation on the README. Okay, just follow this instruction. While you done to follow that instruction, you can commit to your GitHub repository. So I just give you an example how to put an Fcore or Nextflow workflow on your GitHub account. Then you can run following the instruction that is provided in the README of the workflow for this, for example, like this. Then you need to commit. So your task is to find how to commit your work on your GitHub repository. That's it. This question is best. This question is asked from Ramzan, but I didn't but he didn't reply my message. Maybe if you are with Ramzan now, you can tell him that I just gave a tutorial to support him. That's it. Thank you.